Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is one of my must-have kitchen gadgets.
This is the food scale from Dynamo that is going to blow you out of the water. It has so many unique features, the first of which being battery free technology. So, all you have to do to charge this up is open and close it a few times, and the battery will charge right up, and you'll be good to go. It also has three different weight units, which are grams, ounces, and milliliters. So you can measure everything that you need, whether you are baking, cooking, maybe you're doing some meal prep. This thing is awesome. It's super easy to use. All you have to do is put your cup or bowl onto the scale, and once that is weighed, you hit the button on the front that says TARE, and that will zero out your container. And then you go ahead and add whatever it is that you want to measure, whether it's something like I showed rice, sugar, or even just water. It will then accurately measure how much you have in ounces, grams, or milliliters. It also has this amazing, unique feature where it is magnetic. So you can stick it right to your refrigerator and it is at your fingertips whenever you need it.
I think this is the greatest little kitchen scale I have ever used, and I highly recommend it. That's my point of view.